Hello? Can anybody hear me? Hello? Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we are the Henan JINRUI company. We are a big company for doing the cassava processing line, like the garri fufu processing line, or the cassava flour or cassava starch processing line. Alright? Okay, so no problem. Here we go. And our company's name is Doing Henan Doing Limited Company. This is a big company, and the Henan JINRUI company is one of the Henan Doing. So I said this, you will realize that Doing and Henan JINRUI, they are just one company, okay? Alright. And it's hot, sorry. And today I will tell you guys about the high quality cassava flour and also garri processing line. Like the animation shows that here is the produce line about the cassava flour and also garri processing line. And though we can use this whole processing line, it is more automatically. Of course, it is more automatically. So, if you are interested, I will tell you more details about this one. So let's look at this 3D animation. It's about the garri processing line. So if you guys are having some budget, you can choose our company, because you know what, in China our company is very famous all over the China, but also our company have an overseas warehouse in Nigeria. Okay, we have an overseas warehouse in Nigeria or overseas company in Nigeria. And if you don't want to talking to Chinese people, here have your local guys in the Nigeria company. Okay? Yes, no problem. Let's get started. First of all, here is the cassava. We use this fork to putting the cassava into the feeding hopper. Here is the vibration sieve. It will be send the cassava onto the belt conveyor. It will be more separately, and then go to the dry sieve machine. It is use the friction, cassava friction with the cassava together, and then the like a solid and the stones will be fall into this one. Okay. Here is the solid or stones. And then the cassava will go to the other machine. What about this machine? This machine is a washing machine. This machine named paddle washing machine. How to washing it? And you can see here is the paddles. Paddles will push the cassava moving, go on, and go on, right? This is the paddles using. And here comes the water. Water and the cassava will be go into a different way. Like it like the negative way. What is the negative way? It's like that the cassava will go in here in this way, and the water will come in this side, and it will be washing together, and then the solid on the cassava will be washing more clearly. Okay? Right, so it will be washing more clearly. And also, if you guys are interested in our company's equipment or interested in our company's whole production line, you can leave a message for me, okay? You can leave a message for me, and if I see your guys' message, I will answer your question, okay? Yes. And here is the U-track washing way. And then the cassava will getting into another machine. This machine named the pillar. Yes, pillar. Pillar will be peel the cassava skin. You know that the cassava have two skin, double skin, right? So in this machine, it will be friction, and we use a big rotary, and here are a sandpaper cover the rotary. So if you are using the sandpaper is broken or it is dirty, so you want to change another one, you just open the lock. Okay, so here is the lock. All around this machine, here is the lock. Open the lock and you can pick up the rotary, and then you can change the cowrie paper. Okay, cowrie sandpaper. It's so easy to change it. And in this way, the cassava skin can be peeled about 94%. And also here we need a person in here. Yeah, we need a labor, people in here. For what? And these people will be check the different shape of the cassava. Like the cassava is in a very strange shape, like the very, how to say it? Very, oh, you know, guys, like this kind of cassava. This is a cassava. So the people will pick up this kind of cassava, and then it will be putting in it to pillar it again. All right. And here is the cutter, also named the crusher. How to crush it? In this, okay, I will. This machine we use the 4CR13 material. It is very, it is in a very good quality, and it is very healthy for eating, and it will cutting the cassava into small pieces like 3 to 5 centimeters. And then it will send the cassava into another one. This one named the elevator. Okay, so here is another broken. Here is another crusher. It will to making the cassava into the very thin, very thin pieces. Okay, because you know that you like to eat the garri or fufu, you need very small pieces. It is delicious, right? And then go to the elevator. Here is 2 tanks here. And what's the use of the tank? We use the tank for storage the cassava pieces, small pieces. So if anyone is interested in my live stream, please leave a message to me, okay? Leave a message to me. And let me tell you more details about our company's equipment. And then here is the grinding machine. Grinding machine is for break the cassava cake into the very finest powder. And then the cassava powder will go into this one named the Ferrier, right? Garri Ferrier. And look at this one. This Ferrier have double layer in the bottom. Double layer in the bottom, and into the layer we put in some gas. So we put in some oil, and when it is opening the Ferrier, the oil will be heating at first, so the garri will be quickly be Ferrier, right? It is very easy and very useful. And also here is two shafts. One is longer and one is shorter. It can making the to Ferrier the garri more separately. And then pull out the garri. Okay, so here we'll go to the tooth shackling. And here is the vibration sieve. Vibration sieve also have two layers. It can making your garris be more thin, be more finest, right? And then it will be packaging, and then go to this machine. Okay, the garri is already good, already can be sell in the market. So this one is our garri processing line, guys. If you are interested, please go into my live stream. To be honest, we have different kind of 3D animation. If you want, you just need to set something like you want to see the cassava starch 3D animation. You can set the cassava flour like this in the live stream. Okay? Yes, no problem. And now let me tell you profile of our company. Our company's big company's name Doing Holdings Limited Company. Doing Holdings, alright? And the company profile. Here is our office. You can see that here is our office. And this one is our factory. So if you guys want to go to China one day, you like China, you want to travel around with China, okay, one day you can leave a message for me, because we are in Henan province. Henan JINRUI province is a very beautiful city, and it have a long history in this city. Alright, and here is our factory. Our factory, of course, it's not in Zhengzhou, but it's nearest to Zhengzhou. It is another city named Wuzhi province. So if you guys are coming here, we can give you a car ride with our salesperson, and you can travel around or travel to this place, to this factory, and for a look our company's machine. Okay, so here is our Henan JINRUI Food Engineering Limited Company. What we do, our main products like sweet potato starch production line, and also here have the cassava starch processing line, and the cassava flour production line, and the other starch complete equipment and standalone equipment. All we can provide for you. And also our equipment is used to selling for nearly 30 countries, 30 different countries all over the world. And our capacity is for 2 to 40 tons per hour. Okay, and also we have the very professional engineering team. Okay, and here's pictures. The first two pictures, bottom two pictures. No, this one and this one is our workmates in Nigeria. They are all our company's workmate. Okay, and you can see here is a Chinese girl. Chinese girl is our Chinese workmate. She stay in my company now. Okay. Yeah, so if you are interested, please leave in my live stream and I will tell you more details. And the bottom two picture here and here is our customers with the salesperson. So don't say that, oh, you are a Chinese company, so we don't believe your machine. Don't say that, okay? You know that the machine or the technology or the blah 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 in China is the most cheaper one. So if you want to choose the Chinese thing, you will be very great. It can save money, and also you can be very easy to deal with the problem because we are very professional. Okay. And also here is another company named Henan JINRUI Oils and Fat Engineering Limited Company. Okay, and this company is doing the edible oil processing machine, edible oil or palm oil processing machine. So if you guys are interested in this company's machine, you can also leave a message for me. Oh, okay, so here is also the doing things like solid and hazardous waste treatment and the sorting plant. And the last one is a metal and plastic separating machine. This is very useful all over the world, right? Here is our ISO certificate. If you guys are interested, we have many ISO or SGS certificate in our company. I can show you all. And here is our company show. Factory show. Sorry, factory show. This is what we use in the factory. And also here, look at this. Team show. He is our boss. His name is John. Yes, his name is John. So he used working in the Alibaba, and in 2011 years, he's getting out and he made his own company named Doing. Yes. All right. And also here is our another boss. Here is the international trading team. So if you guys want to come into China, these guys will be treating you very well. Their English is better than me, so don't worry for talking to them. And domestic sales department. We are a big company, so we have the international team and also domestic team. E-commerce and IT team. Here are the most important people in our company. They are the engineering team, right? And this is our production team. Beside them, here is our factory. Project cases. We have many project cases all over the world. Not only the top one, but also here is our project sent all over the world. This too is also in China, and this one is in Indonesia. Oh, sorry, this PPT PowerPoint don't have the English. That's alright, I will translate for you guys. And this is in Nigeria. We have a Nigeria warehouse, okay? And they are our customers. Customers are many different all over the world. Like Africa is most of them, but also the Thailand people or the Indonesia people, they all like our machines. Machine delivery and the saturation, you can see that they are all the saturation photos. So if you guys are interested, please leave in my live stream. Let me show you videos about the cassava processing line. It is for the cassava flour processing line. I think maybe you guys are very interested in how to cooking the cassava flour more automatically. So this one is a whole very automatically processing line. Okay, and about the automatically processing line, it can save the labor and also can make you very easy. So if you guys are interested in this kind of 3D animation, please leave a live stream for me. And if you are very interested in the cassava flour or cassava starch processing line, you can contact me in the message, okay? And I will show you more details about this 3D animation. So you are interested, please don't wait. Just give me your WhatsApp number. Okay, so here is the filter press. It can push out the water in the cassava flour, and here is the water. And then open the filter press, it will be pushing out the cassava cake. And then cassava cake will go into the another machine. This one named the grinding machine again, okay? It will be making the cassava into very small pieces. And it is a sanding machine. And then go to the negative dryer. It can be dryer the power, drying the flour. If you think the only one flat dryer is it couldn't be dry the cassava flour, you can choose to making two flat dryer, and then go to the dry sieve machine. No, it is a evaporation sieve. It can be making the flour more thinner, and then go to the packaging machine for package. So this way is more automatically, right? Yes, it's very automatically, of course. So, hello guys, if you are interested in our live stream, please leave in my live stream. Don't worry, so if you are interested in this video, I can making it again. Okay, cassava flour processing plant. First of all, here is the whole factory looks like. If you want, you can tell me your question or tell me your problem, and I will show you more details, okay? dry sieve and paddle washing, peeler, and the cutter, cutting machine, plum filter, filter press, and then here is the flash dryer. First, we can send in the cassava into the vibration sieve. It will be sieving out the cassava on the belt conveyor, and then it will be sending it to the dry sieve. Here is the dry sieve. Dry sieve is a big rotary, and when it rotary, the cassava with cassava will be friction together, and then the solid will be pushed out. Here is a paddle washer. Oh, this paddle washer is double slot, right? Double slot. So if you have a little amount of cassava to making the flour, you can choose only one slot, okay? You can choose only one slot. We all can do it for you. We all can making for you. We all can provide the different way for making the machine. And we can also help you to making your budget be more little. It likes a U-shaped track and washing the cassava. And then here's the peeler. Peeler will peel the cassava skin. We have we have many rotary in it. Rotary cover the sandpaper. And here is the cutter. Cutter, we will cut the cassava into very small pieces. And in cutter here, you can choose the other cheaper one machine, like the hammer crusher or the grinding machine. You all can choose it, but we suggest that you can choose the cassava crusher. And also here is a rasper. Rasper, what's a rasper doing? The rasper is a big rotary, right? And it will be rasp the cassava into the cassava milk. And here is the cassava milk. Here is the desander. Desander will be making the sand or little stones out. Look at here, here is the sand. And then it will be sending to the filter press. Filter press, it will be press out the water in the cassava milk. Look at here. Here is the cassava going away. Here comes the water. And here comes the cassava cake. Cassava cake will go to the grinding machine for grind it into the very little pieces. And then go to the flash dryer. Flash dryer is for drying without using for drying dryers without using for drying dryers flash drying the flour. So welcome everyone, here is the Henan JINRUI Food Engineering Limited Company. We are a big company for doing the cassava flour, cassava starch, also garri fufu production line. Packaging it. Maybe you guys will think that the cassava flour processing line and the cassava garri processing line, it looks same, right? Yes, but you know that the garri need for fermentation, right? And if you want to fermentation, you can putting the garri under the sun. Don't need the fermentation tank, right? And also here we have the starch processing line. Okay, so let's look at these photos. Customer factory installation. And here we come the equipment introduction. So here is the garri processing technology. Whole garri processing line like this. Maybe this one is not seems to the 3D animation because this one it can use a little budget. Okay. First one, this is the vibration sieve. It will be shaking under the bottom, and this will be forbid the cassava to put on the belt conveyor more heavy. And here is the belt conveyor, scraper or belt conveyor. It is covering fresh cassava tuber to dry sieve unit cutting machine. Okay, and here is the function. It removes the mold, earth, and skin from cassava tuber. Inner spiral is adapted to guide material which going under the pushing. Simple structure, low power consumption, big capacity will clearly result. Stable operation and low damage to be profitable for cassava flour extract. And also here comes the paddle washer. Paddle washer is for what? Yes, it is for washing the cassava, right? It is for washing the cassava into the very good, very clearly. Adopts principle counter-current washing to efficiency, clean out mold and sand peels. Steady operation with low material damage rate, special structure with large capacity, effective peeling effect, energy and water and water saving. And this one is also for our paddle washing. Peeling machine. Yes, you can see here is a rotary with sandpaper. The new type of sand roller design has strong friction, which can fully wear off the second layer wet peel of cassava. The peeling effect is good, and the cassava after peeling has no damage and less loss. With a spiral water system, the cassava is washed while peeling, clean and hygienic, while ensuring the continuous and stable operation of the peeling machine. There is a collection device at the bottom, and the residue will be directly collected and transported out to ensure the cleanness and the hygiene of the workshop. The spiral pushes the material forward continuously working, and the spinning speed is adjustable. Contact parts are made by stainless steel. Alright, here is the grinding machine. Okay? Grinding machine. Function is that used to grinding cassava tubers into mesh, even grinding fast production speed. Newly designed with compact structure, easy disassemble, and low maintenance cost. High running speed, low in emergency consumption, and steady operation. Full made of stainless steel 304 food grade. Yes, our machines are all making of the food grade. And here is a hydraulic press machine, fully made by stainless steel 304, right? Automatic pressing, quick and even dewatering, saving time and effort. Strong bearing power, long service life. After dewatering, material moisture around 38 to 14%. Good dewatering effect. And also here is the hammer mill, right? It is broke the cassava cake or it is more easy to dry. And then here is the garri farrier. Garri farrier's function is that the stainless steel pot body ensures the cleanness and the hygiene of garri. The heating is fast and uniform, no past formally. Automatic flaring, automatic temperature control, saving time and effort. With pot body turnover system, convenient for take garri out. And the vibration sieve. It is using for full stainless steel structure, small size, light, white, easy to move, and the direction of the discharge port can be adjusted arbitrarily. Coarse and fine garri are automatically discharged. Also, separate fibers, coarse garri will return to crushing part, no loss. High saving accuracy and high efficiency. The screen sieve is no blocked. After sieving, get the uniform finest high quality garri. The sieve is lifelong service. Changed conveniently only takes 3 to 5 minutes. The operation is simple and clearly also convenient. And also here is the capital. Okay, so here is all the thing I can show you guys. Here is our garri production line. Okay. So you guys, I will show you fufu production line. We also have the fufu production line. So you guys like the fufu or like the garri? Please tell me. I don't know what is delicious. Hello guys, so here is the fufu production line. And it's more automatically or more easy to getting the fufu flour. So if you guys are interested in the whole production line, please leave a message for me. Let me know you are interested, okay? Let me know it. Okay, so guys, you can see this 3D animation, and if you have problem, please let me know, okay? Please let me know. And we are a Chinese company. We named the Henan JINRUI Limited Company. Henan JINRUI Engineering Limited Company. It's a big company for doing the cassava starch, cassava flour, cassava garri, cassava fufu production line. We can provide you the single machine or provide you the whole production line. So if you guys are interested in our live stream, please leave in here, okay? Please leave in here. And our live stream will end in 10 minutes later. We'll be going out with 10 minutes later. So if you are interested in the 3D animation, you can leave a message for me. Let me introduce about the fufu production. First, we use the fork to making the cassava into the vibration sieve. It will be sending the cassava into the belt conveyor. And then it will be going to the vibration sieve. Paddle washer will be washing the cassava. Rasper can rasp the cassava into the cassava milk. And here is the descender. Descender can making the sand or little stones out. Here is a fermentation tank. Fermentation tank, it can fermentation the fufu flour. And the red one is a tube. Tube can come in with hot water. It can be more quickly for fermentation. So this one is very automatic. And then go to the filter press. It's also using for press out the water. Here comes the cassava cake. Hello guys, if you are interested, please leave a live stream for me. Please leave a message in my live stream. And if you are not interested, I will end up this live stream in 5 minutes later. Grinding machine, it can be making the cassava cake to very fineness. Grinding machine again, and then go to the negative flash dryer. It will prevent from the explosion and also prevent from the fufu getting out. If you guys are interested in Henan JINRUI Limited Engineering Company, and here is the vibration sieve. It can sieve out the bigger flour, bigger power weight maybe. And here comes the package machine for package all the things. So guys, if you are interested, please leave in my live stream. Fufu flour processing. Okay, and let's see the garri processing line again, and then I will end up this leaf stream. We are the Henan Doing Limited company. We are a Chinese company, so you guys, if you are interested in the Chinese thing, please leave in my live stream, okay? Here is the paddle washing machine. Paddle washing machine, it can be washing out the solid or the other impurities. Peeler for peel the cassava. So if you guys are interested in our live stream, please leave in here. Okay, no matter, I will be end up this live stream soon. Okay, so goodbye, guys. Goodbye.